What's the meaning of censor? Censor. Censor.
Censor. Censor. Censor refers to the act of controlling, suppressing, or restricting information or content that is considered offensive, obscene, or sensitive. It can be carried out by governments, institutions, or individuals, and can involve various forms of censorship, including media censorship, internet censorship, and book censorship. The ultimate result of censorship is a limitation or elimination of access to certain information or ideas, which can have serious implications for freedom of speech, expression, and creativity. While censorship may be justified in some cases, it is a topic of ongoing debate and controversy around the world.